Hello, welcome back to the channel. We're jumping straight into how to configure Trello's high contrast mode, a feature that's a lifesaver for your eyes and your productivity. First up, let's log into your Trello account. Make sure you're on the home screen where you'll see your boards and tasks. Now, the reason we start here is so you can immediately see the changes as they take effect. Next, find the Settings option. It's often under your profile picture in the top right corner. Click on it to open a drop-down menu. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Trello's settings are where you can customize your experience, including changing the contrast mode. Once you're in the Settings menu, look for the Accessibility option. It's usually towards the bottom. Click on it to open the accessibility settings. Now, this is where Trello allows you to tweak the visual aspect of your boards for the sake of your comfort and effectiveness. Now that we've done that, you'll see the high contrast mode toggle. Click to turn it on. The reason we do this is because the high contrast mode enhances the visibility of the board elements, making it easier for you to distinguish between different items. It's particularly beneficial if you're working in low light conditions or have visual impairments. Once you've turned on the high contrast mode, return to your home screen. You should instantly notice the difference. The board's elements should appear more vibrant and easier to distinguish. This helps us because it minimizes eye strain, making it easier for you to work for longer periods. And that's it. You've successfully configured Trello's high contrast mode. Remember, you can always turn it off by following the same steps, but clicking to turn off the toggle instead. Thank you for watching. Remember, a more comfortable work environment leads to more productivity. So don't hesitate to customize Trello to suit your needs. Tune in for more tips and tricks. Until next time.